Hi guys, we're back with a new video, and for this video we're going to answer this activity for a given chapter, which is the chapter 9. So this activity entitled TCP and UDP characteristics. So for the instructions, drag each characteristics to its TCP or UDP delivery method. Okay, so for TCP, let's see, we have this sequence message segments, the flow control, order delivery, the guaranteed delivery, and session establishment. So for UDP, let's say it's connectionless, no order, less overwhelm, fast transmission requirements, no acknowledgement of receipt. Okay, let's check if our answer is correct, and we answer it correctly, so we can proceed to this chapter. Okay, for the next activity, this activity, so for the part 1, the TCP connection and termination process. Alright, let's start. So for the instructions, drag each descriptor to its appropriate place in the image to illustrate the three-way handshake of a TCP establishment session. So a three-way handshake of TCP establishment session. We have the A and the B. So it sends the SYN, and receive, and he will receive this. Wait, sorry. This here, and the SYN receive, he'll send the ACK. Alright, let's check. Alright, we have successfully answered this part 1 correctly. So let's proceed to the figure 2, the part of this activity. So for this time, it is a drag each descriptor to its appropriate place in the image to illustrate the four-step process of a TCP termination session. So for this one, it is a four-step process of TCP termination session. So let's begin. So we have the FIN and the ACK, and the ACK will send an ACK also, and this one for okay, the FIN will also receive the same what he sent, that will be the same as the receiver, and the ACK will also send the ACK to the receiver. So mm, let's let's check our answer if we got it all right. Okay, we answered this given chapter activity correctly, so we can proceed to the next activity. So for this activity, uh, TCP, UDP are both. We should read the instructions first as always. So drag the application layer protocol to its transport layer delivery method. TCP, UDP or both. So for TCP, I think uh, we have telnet, HTTP, uh, the FTP, and the SMTP. So for the UDP, we have here the IPTV and the VoLP, and last for the UDP is DHCP. So this remaining two, we're going to put this to both. So now uh, we can check our answer if we answer it correctly for this given chapter. So uh, that's it. We answered this correctly, and that's all for this video, and I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.